Hi everyone. Today I want to do an update on XRP because it came up to my sell target at 97 cents and it's starting to retrace a little bit. So I want to show you how I get my next buy in and show you where the supports are and then also where I think it's going to go from here. So this is the XRP chart and you can see here is where it came up to the 97 cents, which was this fib that I've had a while ago. And so I just extended the line out a little bit just so you can see it. And it came up and hit that, and then it started to drop a little bit. So immediately I put on these retrace fibs here, and yesterday on my Discord I said that our next buys will be this 236 fib at 925 or so, and okay, it came to 923. And then I also said that this, instead of this 382 here, it was going to be this fib level, which was going to be our next support. And usually this 382 is the target for this wave. However, if you zoom out, you can see how much of resistance this line has been. So I just thought this would now turn into support, and I think that's going to happen, and I'll show you why. First I'm going to show you how I get these, and then I'll show you why I think this is actually going to be the support, like I said yesterday. So I'm going to delete these fibs and show you how I get them. It's going to be the fib retracement tool, and I have to move this out of the way so I can click it. The fib retracement tool, and we're going to click on the top there, and then we're going to come all the way down to this bottom here. And then make sure you have the 236 in there and the 382. So this is how I got, okay, so this is how I got those fibs yesterday. And now we can go in here and go into the coordinates and put our very top price in here, right here, and then put this low price right here into this price number 2. And that'll give us exact fibs. But just to save time, I'm just going to not do that and just eyeball it. And you can see here that it bounced off that 236 and it's coming up a little bit, and I threw on these resistance fibs like right away after this bounce. And then I think we're going to start heading down again. So this wave is going to form an ABC. So I'm going to show you why I think it's not going to get to this 382 actually, and it's actually going to bounce off this support like I was saying. So an ABC will be like this: A up for B and down for C, and C will be the same size as A. So I always draw a box around A because it's the fastest way to measure the size of wave A, and I'm going to come and put the top of it where the top of B went. And so the bottom of this box is for C. So you can see the bottom of this box lines up perfectly with this fib here. It's all the way over here. Like I said, I did it a few days ago. So it's going to be at 90.9, which is going to be about 91 cents. So that's going to come perfectly down and bounce off this and turn this resistance fib into support. And so that's why I don't think we're going to get all the way to the 382. Normally it would be an A, B, C down to the 382, but this is going to stop at the bottom of the box is what I'm thinking. And it's going to look something like this. I'll label those waves for you. An A, B, and C down here. And I'll zoom in so you can see that. And these 0.5 fibs here, usually our B would only come up to the 0.5, and then that will make C land down here. But like I said, this is going to be strong support now. So it needed to come up a little bit higher than the normal fib target in order for it to land right at this fib. And so quickly I want to show you how I get these resistance fibs for B, because a lot of people are saying they bought here and they don't know if they should sell now or hold, or I just think we should just hold for now and then just plan on adding or buying at 91 cents. These fibs, I'm going to delete it for you. And so now for this wave B coming up here, we want 50% of A. We want to grab the entire wave of A. I'm going to delete the box because it's a little in the way. So we're going to grab the bottom of A there and then come up to the top. And these will be now resistance. So resistance I always turn red. And in this fib set, I don't really need the 236 or 382, so I'm going to delete it because it gets a little in the way. So right now you can see we're resisting at these two levels, and we're going to be finishing out an ABC with our next buy at, again, either 925 or 91 cents. So that's what I'm thinking for XRP. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit for our XRP buys. But now I want to get you where I think it's going to go, because this looks like it might not reach full target at $1.10. And I'm just going to fib it out and see if we land here perfectly where the next resistance is going to be. So I'm going to come and grab this trend-based fib extension tool. And I have to move that out of the way. Trend-based fib extension tool. I'm going to grab this bottom here, and then the top of where we went at 97 cents, and then down to where I think it's going to bounce, which would be 91 cents. So now if this does come and hit perfectly down at 91 cents, this is where we're looking at for our top at $1.04. However, if it lands and bounces, or doesn't come down and bounces again off this 925, I'm going to change that a little bit, and it could be $1.05. So even if we bounce again off a 925 or come down to 91 cents perfectly, looks like our top target right now is around $1.04 to $1.05. That's if all of these subwaves hit perfectly. So that is it for my XRP update today. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, because it's a lot easier for me to update you there than it is to make a new video every time. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.